Here's where you can go to enable the indicator on the watch face, which is going to be a dot that appears on the clock face of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 or the Watch 7 Ultra. To enable this feature while viewing the clock face here, you'll swipe from the top and go to Settings. And once in the Settings section, you will go down to where it says Notifications. In the Notifications section, go down some more until you see Advanced, this one right here, Advanced Settings. Then while here at the very top, you're going to see New Notification Indicator on Watch Face. So once this is turned on, every time you have a new notification, you'll most likely see this sort of orange dot there on the screen. Usually it appears here on the left side, and that's what this basically does. And if you want that, you can leave it. If not, then just turn it off.